I'm really excited to share some of the information about this new Lucid L300 adjustable bed frame. This is the queen size. Terrific quality, and the setup was super easy. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what we have. Looks like one solid bed frame wrapped in plastic. We have two motors, a couple of boxes of accessories, mattress holder brackets, USB ports, one on either side, and a control box. Let's go ahead and remove our orange zip ties and get it all set up. I went ahead and left these zip ties around the piston to go ahead and hold that power cable in place. Accessory box number 1. Looks like we have a couple of base stands here, power cord, power box, and a remote control. Box number 2, owner's manual, and 4 more base stands. Looks like there's a couple different options for your stand placement. We're going to go ahead with the inner one today. Six stands went in easily, and I was able to lift it by myself and move it right into place. Okay, let's go ahead and attach our mattress brackets now. Perfect. Underneath your Lucid 300, you'll find a power cord with a long and a short side. Flip the top down just like that, and then plug in your power cord. Looks like we have power. Alright, let's try our USB charging ports. Terrific. I'm going to go ahead and attach my power box to the underside of the frame here with a couple of Velcro pads so it's not dangling down. Thank you, Lucid, for including batteries for our remote control. Alright, let's try head up. I sped up this part here just for the sake of time. That looks pretty good. How about feet up? That looks good too. Here I just wanted to show you the maximum amount of incline and decline. Alright, let's try flat, single press. This is 4 times speed. I'm impressed with the nice, quiet, and steady movements. Very nice. The Lucid L300 works great as a standalone bed, or you can add it to your existing furniture frame. It fits well in there too. We decided to keep our existing furniture, and this Lucid L300 is working wonderfully for us. It's very comfortable to be able to sit up, read, and watch TV, and I'm most impressed with how quiet this space is. No squeaking or funny noises. Also, I'm a tummy sleeper, so I really like that you can incline or decline the bed a lot or a little. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.